Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for our Chatty Get Ready with me. If you're new, what I do is I just put on my makeup and tell you what's going on in my life. I don't really discuss how I'm doing it. Sometimes I do. It just depends. I'll tell you what I'm doing, or sometimes I'll just put it on and be telling you other things. If you are new, I appreciate you stopping by, and if you enjoy yourself, I would love it if you would subscribe. So let's get started. I've already done my skincare and my primer. Now I have, if you saw my last video, I got these anti-wrinkle patches to test out, and I did a first impression video. Well, I've been using them, and I have been focusing on this line right here, and I don't know if you can tell, it's getting better. It's not gone, but it's not as bad as it was. So yeah, I'm pleased. I'm pleased so far. I'm not ready to do a follow-up video yet. I want to use them just a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm pleased. So let's get started. I'm going to mix my foundations. This one's too light. This one's too dark. Let's get my happy medium. I'm using Tarte Face Tape and Perlice Illuminating BB Cream is what I'm using. Let me start with this one. Mix it on my hand. There we go. Let's see, what do I have to talk about? We had family come into town last week and had lunch with them last Friday, and that was really nice. We had a good time. It was a nice visit. I'm glad they came up. They're from Jacksonville, and unfortunately it was cold when they arrived. Unseasonably cold, and so they got to see us in our cold winter. Well, it's not full winter, but cold weather. And then a few days later we got back up almost to the 80s. So one day this week was 79 degrees. It's crazy, isn't it? That's how it is around here. I need to make up some more foundation. Let's see. So yeah, they came to visit, and that was nice. Nothing else is really going on. My Etsy shop's doing well. I worked my butt off getting some pieces made to go in the shop. I finished my 2 commissions that I had, and made and sold. And I'm out of stones. I need more jewelry. I went on Shop Goodwill, and I didn't see any lots that I was interested in bidding on, so I'll just have to wait until something comes along that I want, because I don't want to buy stuff I'm not going to use. That would be foolish. So yeah, hopefully a new lot will pop up soon and I can bid on it. Until then, I'm putting a halt on making anything for my shop. I'm just going to list jewelry that graciously my husband has been photographing for me. So I've got some pieces. I've listed some. I've got some more to list. So that's been going on. I've not created any new books. I've been tempted to, and I tell myself no, other things need to be done before I do that. And those of you who've purchased my books, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. So there we go. So let's see, anything else going on? I've just been a busy girl this week. My son is at work. I'm actually filming this on Friday. So my son is at work right now. On Fridays, he works 12:30 to 5:30. And so he's at work. So I'm filming, and then I've got to, I'm going to cook dinner. Not right now, but you know, cook dinner later. And then my husband and I are going to go pick up Nathan from work, and head to Five Below, and there's some things there I've seen on people's videos that I think I might want to pick up if ours has it, and then go to the grocery store, go to Aldi. And then tomorrow, Saturday, Nathan has a appointment with his grandma and his two cousins, Meredith and Elizabeth. They are going to, I'm sure the girls will, not Nathan. Nathan's not much of a Christmas tree person, but they're going to put up Grandma's Christmas tree. Nathan, I don't know why I was doing that. That's not next. This is next. Nathan will probably just supervise, because he does. Nathan and Brian, neither one do anything with decorating with Christmas here. I just do it. Brian says, whatever you want, just do it. And so I'm the one who puts up the tree, which I did put up our little Christmas tree. The big tree hasn't been up since before I had cancer, and it's still got it stored. And so I won't put the big tree up until we move. So I just put the little tabletop tree up. I love my little tabletop tree. I think I got it 2 years ago. I got it, I can't remember if I got it before I had my surgery, if it was a purchase after. But it's about, how tall was that tree? Maybe 3 foot, I think, and it's flocked. I love it. And I bought some ornaments just for it, so I didn't have to dig anything out of my storage. So it's got its own set of ornaments, and yeah, I just put it up and it's ready to go. It took me all of 10 minutes probably to put it up. I keep getting this too dark. Let me go back in with powder and tone this down a bit, so I don't look like I'm got a muddy cheek. That's what it looks like. So yeah, that's all I did this year. I just put the tree up. I've got wreaths that was talking about making, you know, I bought one at Goodwill and I was talking about adding to it, make it look nice. I still might do that and hang it up, but right now I haven't done anything else. Just that little tree. I don't know. I'm all in the Christmas mood, but not so much in the decorating mood, I guess. So that's okay. That's okay. Now, time to do my brows. I have the fan on me because it's warm. It's living in the South. That's what it's like. Let's see, anything else going on? No. I think next weekend the North Carolina Arboretum starts their Festival of Lights. I did a video last year. Last year's was a drive-through, and I filmed it. Well, it's back to being a walk-through, and I think we will probably go. If we do, I'll film it. I'm looking forward to that. They say it's gorgeous. When it was I hadn't been to the walkthrough before, just the drive-through. Last year's drive-through, so I'm really interested to see how it looks. There we go. I've been working on Christmas presents. My mother-in-law's is done. The Elvis wreath is almost done. I do think I want some more things to put on it. I'm not quite happy with it yet. So I need to pick up some more picks of some kind. Something to put on it. And then I haven't started Elizabeth's at all because I need to set up the sewing machine. And Meredith, I need to set up the sewing machine, so I'm hoping this coming week maybe I can do that. Alright, today's palette is Huda Beauty's Mauve Obsessions palette. That's what it looks like, and I'm going to start with this to set my primer. I have to have makeup on that's suitable to go shopping. Not wild and crazy, although, you know, it really wouldn't matter. Wouldn't matter anyway. Now, I'm going to go with this middle shade right there. Is my transition. I think it's going to pretty much be a simple eye look today. There we go. I see so many, I watch so many videos of people shopping in stores and looking at all the Christmas decoration and all the Christmassy things, and I keep thinking, oh, I want that, oh, I want that, and then I keep telling myself, do you want to move it? So then I'm like, no, I'm trying not to buy anything. I mean, it has to be something extra spectacular for me to purchase, because I don't want to move it. I don't want to pack it and move it. I'm going to have to get rid of some things. I can't take everything I've got. Let's see, what do we want to put in the crease? I think I'm going to go with this purple right here. I did wash all of my makeup, my makeup brushes yesterday and sponges. Got those all clean. Let's do some blending. Do some blending here. There we go. I need to do some yard work. I just don't feel like it. There's some things I need to kind of tidy up out in the garden. Get ready for winter. That looks good. I'm going to use that same shade with my detail brush, and I'm going to line under my eyes. There we go. What do I want to put on my lid? I've got 3 shimmer shades. I'm going to test them out and see which one I want to go with. I think I'm just going to go with the lightest shade, which is this one right here. And with my finger, let me tidy up my crease. There we go. I think I want to add to the outer. I don't want that same color. I'm going to go with a different color. I'm going to go with this rosy. It's looks like rosewood to me. If I was going to name this shadow, I would call it rosewood. I think that would be a pretty name for this color. Estee Lauder had a lipstick. I don't know if they still do, but they had a lipstick called Rosewood that was a very popular shade. I liked it, so I sold a ton of Rosewood. Rosewood, Spice Cider, those were a couple of... Starlit Pink, those were the classics when I worked for Estee Lauder. Okay, well, I'm going to go now and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I think that looks pretty good. That's not bad at all. I'm going to go into my color wheel, get some of this shade right here. I don't think I'm going to put as much. I'm going to keep it kind of light. Just a little dusting. There we go. And my highlighter, I am using my ColourPop Super Shock in Lunch Money. There it is. Slowly going down. But hey, as long as it's still performing, that's all right with me. There we go. It still feels great, still doing great, so I've had this a while too. Okay, now for my lips. I'm trying to use up this Tarte lipstick that is in my project pan. So I'm going to use it today with my Huda lip liner in Spice Girl. Yeah. So I'm going to use this. And there we go. I like how that turned out. I think that looks good. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And again, thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you next time.